You can purchase a seat cushion to do the job at a fraction of the cost of a new therapeutic chair. Don't know where to start? It's okay, I did the research for you and found the best seat cushions to buy today. Even better, most of these cushions also help soothe the already existing aches and pains that came about after months or even years of slouching and leaning. There are many products available to best seat covers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel and check the description box. Number 1. Gorilla Grip Tufted Memory Foam Chair Cushions. Thick and plush memory foam. Transform any chair into the most comfortable surface ever. Featuring a 1.5-inch thick memory foam cushion, the chair pads are designed to contour to your shape to create a more comfortable sitting surface. They also help provide added support to help ease achy muscles. Luxuriously soft. Add a touch of luxury to any room in your home. Each chair pad is constructed with ultra-soft fabric that will elevate any chair, a perfect addition to dining rooms, kitchens, offices, and bedrooms, or any room that could use a luxurious but practical upgrade. Number 2. Smiry Seat Covers for Dining Room Chairs. Stretch Jacquard Dining Room Chair Seat Covers. 92% polyester, 8% spandex. Chair seat covers for dining room fashion. Rhombic lattice Jacquard fabric. Introduce series of styles: stylish, classic and smipal to these chair seat covers. Smiry dining chair seat covers are an easy way to give a new look to your old chairs, and a great choice to brighten up your room. High-quality seat covers for chairs are made of 92% polyester and 8% spandex, soft and stretchable, non-slip with elastic band, wrinkle resistance, and durable enough for daily scratches, spills and stains from kids and pets. This is a great chair seat protector, moreover a decorative chair seat cover. Number 3. Northern Brothers Dining Chair Covers. Stretch Chair Covers. Polyester spandex. Northern Brothers dining chair covers are made of 85% polyester and 15% spandex. Feature two-way high, stretchy and luxurious, feels smooth, durable. Dining chair slip cover is designed with a non-slip belt and is more fixed than in ordinary dining room chair slip covers. Stretch dining chair cover fit for normal and high back person chair. Chair back height 19 to 23 and chair back width 15.5 to 18. Chair seat width 15.5 to 18 and length 14 to 18 and thickness 1 to 4. Kindly measure before ordering. Northern Brothers dining room chair covers can transform your old chair to brand new, freshen up your interior decor, and extend the life of the chair to save you money. Decorative chair covers can be used for living rooms, wedding banquet, hotels, meeting, celebration, ceremony, dining room, etc. Number 4. EMART 12 PCS Spandex Chair Cover. This stretch chair cover is made of 90% polyester and 10% spandex with good stitching, stretchable, wrinkle resistant and durable. The quality of stretch fabric will meets all the requirements you need. This chair slip cover has 4 elastic foot pockets at the bottom, ensuring that every part of the chair is covered. This chair cover is suitable for dining chair, folding chair, office chair, room chair. This folding chair protector cover not only make the party chair more elegant, but also protect the chair from dirty and damage. It is perfect for wedding decoration, banquet, celebration, party, ceremony, dining, reception chair. It will not let you down in any occasion. Number 5. VEVOR 100 PCS White Chair Covers. Polyester Spandex Chair Cover. Color. White, made of 94% polyester and 6% spandex. Refined stitching makes it stretchable, wrinkle resistant, soft and flexible. Rest assured to use them for many times. Designed to protect chairs from scraping or stain. Besides, it is elegant in white color and will bring happy and royal atmosphere. 4 elasticated reinforced foot pockets at the bottom increase the life of the cover, preventing tears. Excellent for repeated use. Keep them tightly in place. Simply stretch them over the chair, save time and labor. Can be washed with mild detergent by hand, machine, as well as dry cleaning. Perfect for chairs with no armrests and not suitable for folding chair. Great for personal and business events, including birthday party, wedding, business meeting, banquet, celebrations, etc.